since I could remember that told me I had to be within the lines of 2 degrees and 9 to 5.
What's up guys, how you doing? It's another day. Yes, it's a Sunday and I'm going for some fashion event. You're actually going with me. There she is. And Fiona's younger sis is actually participating. That's why we're even going to support her, and I'm gonna take you with me. Yes, so let me just not talk too much. Let's just go to the place. I have a new hairstyle in a new washer sana, so you guys will just have to see. Yeah, you're watching natural hair. We are here. Yes, but I want to show you guys my outfit for today because I love it and I'm like really comfy. Yes.
I've never got no regret. The hours I've been putting in, so take a chance on faith. Your mind's a bonus, please. So take a chance, a chance on faith. So take a chance on faith. So take a chance. I never wanna look back. Take a chance on faith. Take a chance on faith. I never wanna look back. Take a chance on faith. So take a chance. Take a chance on faith. It's too late now. It's something I never wanna say. I stand my ground. I need to be who I'm meant to be. I don't see it any other way. I know I gotta keep the faith. I never wanna look back and wish I could have been. I've never got no regret. The hours I've been putting in, so take a chance on faith. Your mind's a bonus, please. So take a chance, a chance on faith. So take a chance on faith. So take a chance. I never wanna look back. Take a chance on faith. So take a chance on faith. I never wanna look back. Take a chance on faith. So take a chance. Take a chance on faith.
Okay guys, so we are moving to the next category, which is Little Miss and Mr. Kenya. So that's the category that we are moving into. You're seeing some kids, yes, those are the judges.
I've been working after work since last September. Working after work, yeah. I stay up late on the weekdays. I never tell when we say. I never wanna look back and wish I could have been. I've never got no regret. The hours I've been putting in, so take a chance on faith. Your mind's a bonus, please. So take a chance, a chance on faith. So take a chance on faith. So take a chance. I never wanna look back. Take a chance on faith. Take a chance on faith. I never wanna look back. Take a chance on faith. So take a chance. wish I could have been. I've never got no regret. The hours I've been putting in. So take a chance on faith. Your mind's a boundless place. So take a chance, take a chance on faith. So take a chance on faith. So take a chance.
Guys, you have to meet my friend. You have to meet my friend. She's somewhere on the other side.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing
She's not changing, but they're looking pretty. How am I gonna go there? Wait. So finally meet my our little sister.
Yeah.
Yes, they look alike, right?
Definitely.
Yeah, but I'm sure you guys have seen the videos of her. Okay, if you haven't seen there, you can see.
I've been all
And
around.
then yeah, so you're gonna see her outfit, like all of it.
Protect your soul.
There she goes. Aww.
Tonight we will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah, we are heroes tonight. We will fly.
There. Who did your dress, by the way?
Helen Designs. She's a very, very good designer. She designed Miss Universe 2019-2020. And this is a work of her art.
Thank you so much. Wait, I want to see if I can catwalk like you.
Feel like a dynamite, ready to explore right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
All of them there. All of them. They all look pretty. Mrs. Universe 2019.
We are
Yeah, so one of them is going to be the winner for today.
We'll fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
That's it.
Moving swiftly, we'll go to, in that line, we'll go to the final one, which is the best talent. And Madam Irel, utakubali tukutumie bado. The best talent goes to tag number 12. Tag number 12.
Heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah, we are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah.
She won Miss Popularity, and then you won something. Yes.
Best talent.
What did you do for your?
I did a narrative. I had a which was there and it
Nice.
That's nice.
They won, guys. They won. We actually won, all of us.
Yes,
we
we
all
did.
won. We are all winners. Nini. So I want to end this vlog here. Come, we end this vlog by the way. So guys, it's been real watching. What do you think of the event?
It was awesome.
I had fun. How long did you guys take to prepare?
We did it for 2 days, yesterday and today.
Imagine, like 2 days anyway. Who knew? But anyway, it's time to end this. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you again next time. Oh yeah, yes.
Yeah, subscribe, like, click the bell, let it ring.
Thank you so much for watching,
I've
guys.
been
Bye.
all around the globe trying to protect your soul.